using a quotient rule. And what is the formula for quotient rule? We say dy all over the x is equals to v du all over the x minus u dv all over the x all over what? V squared. Now there is no way we can find the derivative of sec x direct, so we have to look for the what? The identity, which is what? Is equivalent to 1 all over what? Cos x. At this point, it means that our 1 will represent u and our cos s will represent v. That means we need to find the derivative of what? Of 1. And what is the derivative of 1? That is du. The derivative of a constant value is equals to 0. That means du is equals to what? 0, because 1 is a constant value. Now we now look for what? The v. Our v is what? Cos x. And what is the derivative of what? The v ds. When we are differentiating cos x, we are going to have minus sin x. So already we have our what? The u, the x, and we have our what? The v, the x, and we have our what? U to be equals to 1 and our v to be equals to cos x. So all we need to do now, we are going to put it into the what? The formula, which is v du all over the x minus u dv all over the x all over what? V squared. Now what is our v? Our v is cos x, so we are going to write cos s here. And what is the u ds? The u ds is 0. We'll now put 0 here, minus what is our u? Our u here is what? 1. And what is the v ds? The v ds is what? Minus sin x. Then we are going to have all over what? Cos x squared, cos s, because our v is cos. So all we need to do now, cos s times 0 will give us 0, then minus 1 times minus sin s will give us what? Plus sin x all over what? Cos square x, and that will give us sin s over what? Cos square s. Now we can decide to split this into what? Sin s all over what? Cos square s can also be written as sin s over what? Cos s times 1 all over what? Cos x. And what is sin s cos s? Sin s cos s is what? Tan x. What is 1 over what? Cos s. 1 over cos s is what? Sec x. We now have what? Sec s. Therefore, the y all over the x of sec x is equals to what? Tan s sec x. Thank you.